Hello, my name is Harry. My weekly meditation topic is me who is attached to money. I used to be the person who always obsessive with the money. Like whenever I have a moment that I need to spend the money, I was always anxious, sometimes angry. But after I met this meditation, I was able to deeply reflect on myself, and I had a flashback about my father. Like my father was the person who didn't want to spend money, like even on during the vacation. We are the family who always find the hotel after midnight because he was always comparing which hotel is cheaper, saving more money. Like to me, it was like too much. But I became the person just like him because that's what I have learned, I have seen, programmed in my mind. So, yeah, meditation enables me to reflect on myself. Certain point, I found that me is not real. That's just my attachment, my false me. And after I found that fact, I found the real me, which is the infinite, my true self. And as my true self, I was able to see with the bigger perspective. The purpose of life is not attaching to money, but there's so many things are more than that, like bigger than that. After I am changing through this meditation, like at work, I always obsessing, oh my god, how much should I make money? But instead of thinking that, how should I provide really good and nice service to my clients or customers? How sincerely I'm able to live my today after finding my true self within. I was able to do that. And what happened next is I was able to have more money than before. Since I'm able to focus on what I'm doing and being more sincere, the money just comes along. I was not able to change it by myself, but the meditation is one of the best practice. Like by reflecting on myself, I'm able to correct my wrong self. Also realizing that who am I? Who is my true self? And what is the right life? What is the best life for myself?